Hey, welcome to Great Jammer Garage. This following week, we're going to continue putting this 360 together. Right, Chad?
Yeah.
For the most part, everything's clean. When I get to this step, what I like to do is clean out all the threads, all the bolt holes. And then, you know, in the entire block, flip it over, we'll do the bottom as well. Then we'll clean it one more time with the brake cleaner. We'll make sure that all the mating surfaces are clean. And then we'll usually start from the bottom. We're gonna do the crank, then the cam, and then go from there. We're gonna check the clearances with plastic gauge. We got that right here. And what I use to clean the bolt holes, I got this from Summit. There's a part number right there, SMU 900199. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got the bottom bearings in, or actually the top, because this is upside down. We got the crank in, and we got the, you see that? There's the plastic gauge, right there, right there. So we're gonna put the main caps on here, torque them down to 85 pound-feet. Then we'll take them off, and you use just a piece of the packaging that the plastic gauge comes in to check the clearance. So we're gonna do that now, and we'll see where we're at. Alright, we checked everything with the plastic gauge. Everything is actually like right on the money, except for one of them that's at 15. All the other ones are at 1. So it's pretty good. We're gonna take the crank back out, clean off all this oil, and we're gonna put the rear main, put the crank back in for good. Well, you know, with the assembly loop, put this back in, put the caps back on, tighten it, and move on.